I've ended up with one of these Makita top handle saws that takes two 18-volt batteries. See what it is, I suppose. Got a book that will never probably get open. Just a warning telling you not to use it if you're not trained in that. So you got a chain, a little spiky thing there for levering up against your stick, and a little bar. There's a cute little bar, it's nice and thin there. Let's see if we can put this thing together. It's got a little push button thing here. And it opens up and that's your handle to undo your nut for the bar. Yeah, that's something that I'm finding myself a bit concerned about already. I don't know how serious they can be about chainsaw, and if they're not providing you with a spanner and a screwdriver type arrangement to do your chain tensioning and add a bar to it. I suppose that's the sort of thing that we're going to uncover in the course of our investigation. Just ram that spiky thing on here. Alright, I'll have a look at putting this chain on. That's all a bit strange, being that now the adjusting for the bar, it's in the cover rather than being in the body of the saw. Yeah, so you got to line your holes up. Alright, so now once you got that lined up there, you can loosely do that up, I suppose. Then it's got this stinking thumb screw thing to do the chain up, so we'll whack a bit of tension on it. Nut this up. Like that. And then that clip just clips away in there like that, so like I was saying on it before, it's got this thing where you just pull that in and then that turns into a bit of a handle, which is thoroughly disappointing really. We'll just undo this here and we'll add a bit of oil to it. So now we got that all assembled there. I'll whack a couple of batteries on it. So just do a bit of a weigh in with a couple of 5 amp batteries. There you go, you got 4.75 kilograms. Now just weigh it in against my little Still 25 here, which is also a good little pruning saw. It's weighing in at nearly 6 kilos. Another thing, I never had a top handle saw before, so I don't really have much to compare it to, but just looking at it, I feel like it robs you a bit of your able to use it one-handed and sort of reach out and cut stuff, but then I suppose that's why I have a pole saw. Yeah, that's a nice touch. They give you a great big list of all the other stuff you can spend your money on. Thanks, Makita. That's really nice of you. Alright, so I've got this bit of red gum sitting here up on my bench. And you go, I suppose I better see how she cuts, eh? Been and done in probably half an hour of pruning, cutting up firewood, whatever. Giving it a bit of a workout. Seems to have handled that quite well. Like, it doesn't have the up and go of a bigger petrol saw, of course, but I reckon for throwing in the toolbox when you go camping, stuff like that, so you don't have to be carrying jerry cans and all that sort of carry. If you just want to nip out, chop off a bit of kindling, give it a shrubbery, a bit of a pruning if it's encroaching on where you're walking or something like that. It'll be ideal for just yeah, the fact that you don't have to be having two-stroke going stale in the tin if you don't do it too often, or spilling in the back of your car if you're going up camping or something like that. I reckon it could be quite handy.